Hey, Zoe. How are you? You watching those birds, huh? You watching those birds? Come over here. Yes, what a good girl you are. This is Zoe's first time boarding here, and she's doing very well. Likes to explore the playroom. Took her a day or two to settle in, but now that she has, I mean, she eats good anyway, but just to be comfortable with us. But now that she's comfortable with us, she's a love. Hi, Zoe. You watching the birds through that little porthole there, huh? What are you doing? You fresh girl. Look how pretty you are. Show the camera how pretty you are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Zoe. Look at you. Look at you. You're a good girl. Oh my. My. What a good girl. And we're not busy right now, at least until next week when school vacation starts. So Zoe is getting a ton of one-on-one time. Oh, Zoe. Yes. You're being a good girl, huh? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes. Oh my goodness. Come on up here. Come on. Oh, what a good girl you are. You're so pretty. Yes, look at you. Look at you. So don't worry about Zoe. She's doing very well. Loves watching the parakeets here in the playroom and enjoys her time here.